What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are all well. This is the quiz on loops and arrays. So let's get straight into it. What do nested for loops do? Nested for loops allow us to run multiple for loops at once. That's it. What would the output of this code block be? So it's const animal equal to cat. For let I equals 0, I smaller than animal.length I plus plus. Then log animal at index I, let j equal 1, j smaller than 4, j plus plus. So this is going to do 1, 2, 3, but not including 4. And this is just going to do cat. So because it's nested, it will start with cat, C, and then 1, 2, 3, and then A, 1, 2, 3, then T, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the general purpose of a loop? Loops automatically iterate a block of code based on conditions. All loops help computer make decisions automatically. Loops iterate through arrays to find elements. Loops read and recreate code automatically. Loops automatically iterate the block of code based on conditions. What problem is caused by this code block? For let I equal 10, I is greater than 0, I plus plus, console.log I. Yeah, you see I is greater than 0. It's going to loop forever. So the code will loop forever because I will always be greater than 0 and 10. This code will create an infinite loop because it lacks a stop condition. What will be the result of the code block? Let social media equal Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Dot length plus plus. Yeah, it's going to be Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Which statements is true about for loops? For loops always count from 0 upwards. For loops are appropriate when looping at a predetermined number of times. You want to run a code block at least once, then loop as long as the condition remains true. Which kind of loop would you use? Do while statement or loop. What is incorrect about the code block? There should be semicolons there. The condition of the loop should be separated by semicolons, not commas. Which statement is true about while loops? While loops only run while the condition is false. While loops evaluate a condition for however long it's true. The looping stops when the condition is false. Yeah. Okay. Up next.